Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss class 10th physics chapter, that is your light, reflection and refraction. Okay, so inside this chapter we will discuss the following topics. That is, first one is introduction of light, then luminous object, then non-luminous object, fourth one is types of medium, then some interesting facts about light, then reflection of light and its laws, and then special cases. So now move on our chapter. So our first one topic, that is our light. So what is light? Okay, you suppose think that you are inside a dark room. Can you see anything? You can't, na? So when you on the switch on the light, then you can see the object, or with the help of sunlight or other light, you can see any object. It means light is a way by which you can see any object. In simple definition, if somebody asks you what is light, it means in light is that by which we can see any object. So scientifically, it has one definition. How you can define it. Light is an electromagnetic wave by which you can see any object, or it is a wave which makes sensation of vision. Then move on your next one topic, that is your luminous object. What is luminous object? The object which produce their own light is called luminous object. Means वो object जो अपनी खुद की light produce करते हैं, like sun, burning candles, bulbs, etc. These all are called luminous objects. Okay. Then next one topic is non-luminous object. The object which do not produce their own light, these are called non-luminous object. For example, your door, this copy, chair, they need light, na? If you want to see something, so you need light. So these are called the non-luminous objects. Okay, then our next one topic, that is your types of medium. So types of medium, we have categorized it in three categories. First one is a transparent medium, then second one is translucent medium, and your third one is opaque medium. So what is your transparent medium? It is that medium which allows light to pass through it, is known as a transparent medium. Example, water, glass, these are the example of transparent medium. Means जहाँ पे आप आर पर देख सकते हैं light, जिसमें directly pass हो सकती है. Then translucent medium is that medium which partially allows light to pass through it. Means light partially allow करेगा. Example आप इसे ले सकते हैं जो smoked glass होता है, butter paper. These are the examples of translucent medium. Then third one is opaque medium. The medium which does not allow light to pass through it. जो मीडियम लाइट को अलाउ नहीं करेगा, उसके अंदर पास करने के लिए अलाउ नहीं करेगा, दैट मीडियम इज नोन एज ओपेक मीडियम. सो योर एग्जांपल इज दैट योर कार्डबोर्ड, वुड, बिल्डिंग, वॉल, एक्सेट्रा, दीज आर कॉल्ड द ओपेक मीडियम. नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन द अनदर टॉपिक, that is some interesting facts about light. That one is the introduction of light. Here we are going to discuss some topics or some facts about the light. So light wave is a transverse wave. We have already learned in class 9 now there are two types of waves, longitudinal and transverse waves. So light is a transverse wave. Okay, first one is. Then second one, light can travel in vacuum also. Light can travel anywhere. It can travel in vacuum also. Second quality is that. Then third one is, we know that this one is point, right? If we will make another point, if we will join it, that is line segment. If here we will use one arrow, that is called ray. So the bundle of rays is called beam. That one is the third fact about light. Fourth one, if a beam of light in which rays meet to a point, beam of light in which rays meet to a point, all these rays are meeting here na, that one is a point. So such a kind of beam is known as conversing beam. It is conversing. All beams are coming in our same point. In a one point they are meeting. So that point is known as conversing beam. Sorry, that rays is known as. Another is fifth one, a beam of light in which rays in such a way that they move out a point is called a diverging beam. Means जहाँ पे एक point जहाँ से क्या हो रहा है कि ये move out हो रहे हैं. So you can see the diagram also here. we are going out from this point, so this is called diverging beam. Okay, now move on your next one topic, that is reflection of light. And this one topic is very important, reflection of light. Okay, so what is reflection of light? Let us take one plain glass, okay, and it's one, and we are going to polish it, so that one that surface will become reflecting surface. So if we fall a light here, it will reflect back. Okay, so the bouncing of light through the same medium, अगर आपने कोई चीज फेंका और उसी मीडियम पे वो वापस आ रहा है, so that phenomenon is known as reflection of light. So what is the exact definition of reflection of light? The phenomena means is incident को, that incident of bouncing back, यहाँ आया और ऐसे back हो गया. So the phenomena of bouncing back of light through the same media. See, ये and suppose it is air, लाइट यहाँ से आई, स्ट्राइक किया रिफ्लेक्टिंग सरफेस पे, देन बाउंस बैक, सेम मीडियम में वापस चली गया. सो दैट फिनोमिना इज नोन एज रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट. सो यू जस्ट मेमोराइज इट. द फिनोमिना, आपको कुछ वर्ड्स अच्छे से लर्न करना है. ये फिनोमिना, दैट इज होल प्रोसेस ऑफ बाउंसिंग बैक, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. बाउंसिंग बैक ऑफ लाइट थ्रू द सेम मीडिया, दैट इज नोन एज reflection of light. Okay, so first one, that first ray which is going to fall here, this ray is known as incident ray, right? And that one is normal. This is normal. After the reflection, striking, bouncing back, that ray is known as reflected ray. Here the angle which is between normal and incident ray, that angle I, it is known as incident angle, and that angle with the normal and reflected ray is known as reflected angle. Here I am writing angle I is incident angle and angle R is reflected angle. Okay, so here is there are two laws of reflection which is very important. So first one, you can see from the diagram also, देखिए, incident ray, normal and reflected ray lie on same point, right? देखो सब एक ही point पे lie कर रहे हैं ना. So this one is the first law of reflection. Incident ray, normal and reflected ray lie on a same point पे lie कर रहे हैं. Next one is, that is incident angle I is equal to reflected angle, means angle I is equal to angle R. We can understand it by one example also. Suppose this one is a reflecting surface, this one is normal, here is incident ray, and that one is bouncing back ray is known as reflected ray. Angle, this one angle is, suppose this angle is 60 degree. So your question is, find out the angle I as well as angle R. Okay, now look at here. This one is, that is your angle, how much it is? 90 degree, and this one angle is 60 degree. Suppose we don't know how much the value of I. So suppose it is x. So according to the diagram, angle I plus 60 degree is equal to 90 degree. ये देखो 90 degree बन रहा है. Now transposing the numbers, it will go here. 90 minus 60 is equal to 30 degree. Okay, so according to laws of reflection, if angle I is 30 degree, then definitely this one angle is also 30 degree. It means angle I is 30 degree, then angle R is also 30 degree. Okay, it means that one is a second law of reflection. Incident angle is equal to reflection angle. Okay students, there is a special case when of incident reflection of light. So this case is that when the incident ray falls on a mirror at normal, this one is a reflecting surface and this one is normal. When incident ray, this here is incident ray, falls on a mirror at normal, then the angle of incident, that is angle I, is equal to 0. So we know that the laws of reflection, that is, if that incident angle is equal to reflected angle, so therefore if I is equals to 0, then R will be also 0. Here R is angle of reflection. Okay, now move on here. From all this definition, from the concept of reflection of law, at last we understand that what is a mirror? A mirror is a reflecting surface that causes an image to be formed. Means mirror is a reflecting surface which causes an image to be formed. There are two types of mirrors. First one is a plane mirror and another is a spherical mirror. So what is plane mirror? A plane mirror is a plain glass of sheet whose one side is polished. Means we have learned now that one example special case, that is your plane mirror. Here is a silver coating, so that is your normal, an incident line falls on it, it reflect back. That one example we use daily in our at home. That is your mirror where you see your face, that is your plane mirror. Then second one is spherical mirrors. Spherical mirrors is that mirrors whose reflecting surface is a part of a hollow sphere of glass. Means it is a hollow sphere of glass whose reflecting surface from. Okay, there are two types of spherical mirrors. Number one is a convex mirror and another one is a concave mirror. So first one we are going to study, that is your concave mirror. So concave mirror is a spherical mirror which has a reflecting surface towards the center of the mirror sphere. So here we are taking this hollow spherical glass. If we will polish inside it, then it will become a concave mirror. Same as if you will take the another hollow spherical glass. If we will polish inside it, then that one part, polish the surface. This polished surface is known as concave mirror. Now convex mirror is a spherical mirror which has a reflecting surface away from the center of sphere. This one is a hollow spherical surface. If we will polish outside, then it will become convex mirror. So from these two mirrors, there are some important facts which are related. Here you can see from the figure. So our next one topic is some important terms related to spherical mirror. Nothing is there. See, इसमें देखो अब सिंपल लैंग्वेज में क्या समझना है कि अगर आपने एक हॉलो स्फीयर लिया ग्लास का, आपने इनर साइड से अगर उसे पॉलिश किया है, चाहे इधर दिस वन साइड, और अगर आप इसे कंप्लीट करते हो तो यहाँ की तरफ से दोनों साइड से अगर आप इनर साइड पे आप पॉलिश करते हैं, देन दैट वन मिरर विल बी कनकेव मिरर. इफ़ यू विल पॉलिश इट फ्रॉम आउटसाइड, अगर आपने इसको बाहर की तरफ से पॉलिश किया है, रिमेनिंग पार्ट को आपने हटा दिया, तो ये आपका कौन सा मिरर बन जाएगा? कन्वेक्स मिरर. तो सिंपल लैंग्वेज में आपको क्या समझना है, इफ़ अगर आपका मिरर क्या है, इनर साइड से पॉलिश्ड है, सो दैट वन इज़ योर कनकेव मिरर. अगर आउटर साइड से पॉलिश्ड है, दैट वन इज़ योर कन्वेक्स मिरर. सो सम इम्पॉर्टेंट टर्म्स जो आप फिगर से ही आप समझ सकते हैं. तो फर्स्ट वन इज पार्ट इज, सी ये आपका एक मिरर, हमने क्या करा, हॉलो स्फीयर का जो रिफ्लेक्टेड सरफेस था उसे आपने लिया पॉलिश साइड, रेड साइड को हम हटा दिए. तो देखो आप इसे पूरा कंप्लीट करते हैं फिगर को, तो देयर इज वन सेंटर. This center, in case of mirror, we will say it is center of curvature. That is your center of curvature. Then the center of this mirror, it is known as pole. Then distance from C to P. What is C? C is center of curvature. Here is P is a pole. So distance from C to P, that is known as R, which is radius. But in case of mirror, we will say it is a radius of curvature. Same as that one is your spherical surface, it is your concave mirror. So the center of that spherical glass, that is known as center of curvature. Center of this mirror is known as pole. The distance from C to P, it is known as radius of curvature. Then principal axis is that axis when the line which is joining P and C. So such that axis is known as principal axis. Same here, The line which is joining C and P, that is known as principal axis. Then aperture. Aperture is that area of the mirror which is available for reflecting light. Here is aperture, that one is, this surface is available for reflection. Same here, this one surface area is available for reflection. So that portion is area, that area is known as aperture of that light. So here I have written some definitions or some, let us recall it. What is principal axis? The principal axis is that the line which is joining pole and C. That is known as principal axis. I have already shown you now. That one is the line which is joining P and C. Then next one is pole. Pole is in both mirror. Okay, the center of mirror. The center of mirror is known as pole. Then center of third one is your center of curvature. Center of curvature is center of spherical glass. That is your center of glass. Principal axis we have already told you. Then aperture already we have done. Okay.